Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking one focused niche and one platform so you don't spread effort thin. Once chosen, validate demand quickly. Search trends, watch top 5 creators, note formats that work. Make sure to set up a simple workflow: phone on tripod, mic, daylight, or a $30 ring light, and a folder for raw clips. Record your first 3 short pieces using the same template. Doing this gets momentum. You'll learn faster than by overplanning. Once you have raw footage, focus on a repeatable editing routine so output becomes consistent. Use a 3-part template: quick hook, helpful value, clear call to action. Stick to it for multiple videos. Make a preset for color, crop, and audio levels to save time, then batch export. Upload with consistent titles, thumbnails, and 1-2 targeted tags. Track watch time and retention. Those metrics tell you what to double down on and what to drop. You finish the cycle by publishing on a consistent schedule so algorithms and viewers learn when to expect you. Once live, analyze retention and click-through rate each week and adjust one variable at a time: thumbnail, first 3 seconds, or value angle. If things go wrong, low views or retention, don't panic. Test a stronger hook for 3 videos, simplify your message, and ask 3 viewers for feedback. Keep the loop tight and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.